This Appalachian Real Estate property video is presented by Jeff and Debi Hyatt. Extra nice subdivision just 5 minutes from downtown Bryson City. This lot is from the top of the ridge across the road and down to the stream. Nice area to put a picnic table down by the stream, with a beautiful rolling wooded R to put your house. Oak Grove has nice easy access roads and underground electricity. The subdivision road is two-way but also has 2 entrances. This development has minimal restriction, no mobile home and a minimum of 900 square feet. See attached for others. Short drive to Fontana Lake at 288 with boat ramp, picnic tables, fishing decks. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeff and Debi Hyatt at 828-736-0620.